up to the sand caves in Kanab, Utah. Like maybe 90 degrees, but we are so excited to get up there. This is what it looks like up there. And Caden is getting his workout holding our water bottles. And we'll let you know what it looks like. You actually can walk along that route and into the caves. So we're excited. The trails are not really well marked, but we just kind of keep looking for footprints. And we have water, so we should be good to go. I'm coming. Here we are at the sand caves. They're behind us. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, thank you. This is not easy. Not for the faint of heart if you're afraid of heights, but Dylan's headed into the cave. This is what it looks like from up above. This is how far we came. We just hiked up that. You can see the people on the road. So, hopefully we can make our way back down here. I'm a little more nervous about that than getting up. Dylan and Kate are going in the cave right now. We did it. We climbed up these sandstones behind me. Let me zoom in. Anyway, it was hard. You have to have good footing. I almost didn't make it actually. The kids did okay. And I started to slide down the rock face, and some people in front of us from Argentina came back and helped me out. I would have slidden down, I think, if it weren't for them. And they helped me all the way across the face. You have to walk across the face of it. So there are definitely some tricky spots, but it was absolutely beautiful at the top in the caves.